Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's morning show. So yeah, right, maybe one of the Arsenal legends, Babadi talk about it's a Nwaneri and the possibilities of playing him as a false nine, especially when Bukayo Saka comes back. Where will he be deployed to? They can talk about the many places where the boy fits to play. So yeah, right, going to talk say make them not play Nwaneri as false nine. Say go make sense. Say if now be the coach, go put on there because as you can see the reports put out by Sportscaster. So they say I wouldn't put him there in right names one position. He believes Mikel Arteta shouldn't use Arsenal star it's a Nwaneri in. Now, when you read the entirety of this particular report, the Arsenal's icon, yeah, right, has claimed Nwaneri should not be used in the number 9 role following his Gunners' recent 7-1 defeat of PSV. He said Ethan can play as a right attacking midfielder, left attacking midfielder, right winger, and there's another position he can develop into in a few years' time. 9, he's got the goal in front of him and he just looks at goal. He has a tremendous ability to put the ball at the back of the net. We are looking at how Bukayo Saka has just kind of made that right position his own. You get in his own way he has developed. But you look at Ethan. Ethan, like I don't know. I think he could play anywhere up there. I wouldn't put him as a 9 anyway. They say he's played as a 9 in the youth team, but this is professional. This is senior men. You get where you playing against lanky and big centre backs. You know good days. But I wouldn't put him as a 9, but I'll put him anywhere around there. And the truth is, me personally, I subscribe to his line of thought. Around the talk and before when I first talk that possibility, say yes, Nwaneri can play there, Martinelli can play there, Trossard can play there, where they call it try Merino. I don't talk about it. It don't make sense. You get even the role whether they groom Nwaneri to play. You know, say no be this Saka role. The original role that they groom him to play in a midfield, number 10. And I can tell you for free, the type of success and productivity rates when they get for that Saka wing. If you play that that role, you no go experience that type of success. Because you can't be like say the boy they perfectly fit for that Saka role. The way things they be now. And God come bless and saying they very versatile because from waiting at the here, he can even play Martinelli wing. He can play left side attack. He can even play that 8, that Saka role. He can play there. So if not be Saka get injury, now she will for try and here to no say he can play here. So if Saka comes back, either he comes in as a cover for Saka if you want rest Saka, or they unlock another role for him when they be false 9. Maybe Martinelli Romain said go try there. And if the experiments can't work, baba, you know what it go mean? Having Nwaneri, because as of now, it's like our best player. You get when they activate people, you get dribble, cutting, you get so imagine they now activate that left wing, Martinelli wing. If you're going to do bench, at least you're going to see maybe Martinelli and Trossard on the bench. It still gives us that good cover on the bench. You get based on the type of injuries we don't get. So now me, they look about at the end of the day, not be my hand the day, but could we see what's going to happen? How Arteta will take doing decisions. Now, I don't know how many of you watch the match we happened yesterday, Liverpool versus PSG, where Liverpool end up winning that match 1-0. Man, that match is a perfect definition of nobody who dominates the win game. Look at PSG having over 70% of possession, Liverpool at 30%. PSG made Liverpool look ordinary. Liverpool, what did they do people for EPL and PSG do them? Oh man, that PSG team. Yesterday I cool down watch the match. PSG know they use center forward, then they don't get one striker. They get 2 strikers. The third one, same go Juventus that and Nwaneri. The second striker, Goncalo Ramos, they put him for bench. They started with Bradley Barcola, Dembele, and Kvaratskhelia. On that front 3, couple Vitinha for the midfield, they orchestrate things. Even at their defense, PSG speed. According to the commentator, say PSG have a lot of speed merchants. Barcola, he get pace. Dembele, pace. Kvaratskhelia, pace. Hakimi, pace. Even Desiree Doué, we call it Liverpool don't know what to hit them. Salah no see road. Yesterday, Liverpool were just lucky. Like how they won the match because they had one shot on goal. That one shot on goal go enter for them. I know just on football and yesterday was very funny. But Luis Enrique, who's the PSG coach, say he never had though. Say then go Anfield next week. I think they give you guarantee. Say they will do the comeback next week. And the thing is, PSG came here to play. Liverpool came here to play defensive. So we'll see whether Liverpool will actually come aside to play at the end of it. But when you look at statistics now, look at statistics, look at expected goal return. See how low Liverpool own day. Look at total shots, 27-2. Look at shot on target, 10-1. At the end of the day, the people get one can't win. Like, it's very painful. You get, it's very painful, but it is what it is. That's what football be. You get. That's what you can sometimes you cannot predict it. So it is what it is. Now, away from that. So they don't nominate Odegaard, our captain, as one of the Champions League players of the week. You get. So you go see saying they there, Alisson Becker they there, then Harry Kane, then self beats what's it they call them? By the Leverkusen 3-0, and then got the by the Leverkusen got the laments, or I think it was Michael Oliver was the referee on the night, so they got the laments on that one, saying do a lot of a joro. You get. So, but it is what it is. I just hope Odegaard win because nobody easy to win based on the type of people we they there. Now, for Mexico, you talk about the match you play against PSV, can they give you response? Get. So I expect them to talk about the Merino when talking no one see make Merino play and Merino score, but he didn't really mention those ones. So he can talk about the match we'll go play on the weekend. Yes, on Sunday we're going to be playing Manchester United. So Merino can talk about that match. Say the confidence where Arsenal go get from beating this PSV 7-1. Say that Manchester United go suffer. Because fair play to Arsenal, they are in the quarterfinals of the Champions League because there's no way PSV are expected to come to the Emirates Stadium and beat Arsenal 7-0. Come on. That one no fit happen, you get. So you can say fair play to them, but some people go suffer now. This Manchester United, that then suffer everything. The way things go be, say man, you will suffer how everything will be. Well, it is what it is. So my own be say, who carry the momentum as it be now. Enter that Manchester United, knock them waiting no good to now, waiting me at the expect. So well, it is what it is. More just see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Sometimes coach will do in mind, get, but with the power of hindsight, will come say, hey, we don't like this, we don't like that one. But look at now. If say Merino don't score that day now, this for Messi now will come out and come talk another thing now. Say, Chepa talk, but they don't play Merino and they go play. So it is what it is. Now, if they want to, they can't compare him to Lionel Messi. I think the second person where they do this comparison, the first person was Joe Cole. The second person now is Scott Minto. So if they want to compare to Lionel Messi, as Mikel Arteta warned that he has a major problem. So former Chelsea and Benfica star Scott Minto compared Nwaneri and Messi during Talk Sports live commentary. So Minto called the one that says, see, you have a problem now. Because if Saka come back, where you go play this is the Nwaneri. So it's a Mikel Arteta has not a worry, but it is very much a positive problem. Now, good problem to have. He said, what does he do when Saka comes back? Nwaneri is often asked as just player, when you put him, it's a bit of much to put him down in the middle. Host Adrian Durham, when they ask whether they go play him as false nine, if the talk say no, say it not gonna make sense. I think it's a lot to ask to play Nwaneri 17-year-old as a false nine. The thing is, Martin Keown first asked this question. So what will happen? And the thing is, like one of our commenting my DM says, CHUKS, why everybody they worry about whether Nwaneri go play, when he go play with Saka? So we're not supposed to be happy say we get another person. We say in case Saka no, that person will activate. We don't talk so one be like Man City. Man City get like two people in one row. Why are we worried? This is a good thing. You get say okay, if Saka play 70 minutes, don't tire because you know be your robots. You don't tire. Nwaneri go enter, activate, follow. Yeah, so now the way we're supposed to look and but everybody get their different way of looking at it. Now, I don't know whether I remember the day where I talk about this coach, Fonseca, the Lyon coach, we almost headbutts a referee. We will talk about him, and I know say yes, Shoreline will get punishment. And I talk say once clarity comes out about the case, so I will let you know. All right, so the information done there out there say Lyon boss, according to ESPN, even Fabrizio Romano carried the story, say they don't give the guy 9-month ban for confronting the referee. Say Paulo Fonseca has been suspended for 9 months by the French football professional football league FLP following the confrontation. You get so the referee talk say he felt like intimidated and all what's not. So referee self talk your own side of the story. You get although Fonseca later apologized and say I just want to say that I'm sorry for what I did. I should not have done it. You get so he was telling DAZN. So now the referee don't go millions. He rushed towards me with an intimidating attitude, and I decided to send him off directly. He told Sports Daily the quip. There was, it seems, a slight contact with the nose, It was particularly intimidating, aggressive attitude, which one can hardly imagine from a professional coach. This is what emotions do to people. And they later win the match. You know, say no win. And even they hear say, now when match don't finish, they even give a red card. But why were you so enraged? It just be like similar to waiting and slot self do. We go meet the referee. In fact, now we're going to hear waiting and slots tell the referee we officiate their game. You get? Well, I think that was the Everton game. Which game? I don't even forget. Sir. We officiate. Okay, that is the Everton game. We officiate the game. You go tell them and say, if we not win the league, you are the blame. You are a disgrace. You are Kidikon. That's why the man say shake him. He tell him, "Whoa, Baba collect card. Give him." You get? So, but at the end of the day, give that one too much ban. Even I think Sky Sports carry the story how Fonseca has been suspended, but people they talk to that 9 months apart. You too much. You no go fit enter dressing room. You no go fit enter touch line. You go, come on. People say it is too extreme. Now the people give on the ban. They talk say no be really about the incidents, but now the disrespect to the referees as a whole. I say they need to send a message so that nobody attempts this type of thing in the nearest future. So now the way themselves they see the matter. Well, Leon don't put out a statement. They are furious. They are appealing. You get say it is too much, but we'll just watch. If they accept Leon appeal, I will let you know. Now, even the match Liverpool play and Slot self said the truth. They say PSG were much better. You get say they were lucky. Instead, no say they did very, very lucky. So make I leave the matter for that side. Now, the Sun when they give us a report on how Miles Kelly don't hand Thomas Tuchel a major England dilemma with best and worst of Arsenal wonder kid on display. Now, many people they talk say may then give Miles Kelly a chance to come into the England national team, make him come play for England. Now, some other people going to say the major issue here is his temperament. Because look at the red card when they collect and here, look at the cards when they collect. Get so now something they say they need to look at. Get I mean I don't say now something they say I think myself guys follow the boy itself because this was how like many people have observed. This was how Gabriel Magalhaes started. When they give away penalty anyhow, he was very, very aggressive, but now he don't get balance to know how to control in aggressiveness. Magalhaes is more aggressive than Saliba, but when last year see them give Magalhaes red card? When last year see Magalhaes give away a penalty? So now progression, you don't understand. So now that level now 9 miles to scale day. So you also needs to progress. Make them groom him, teach him. He's learning on the job. How old is he? Come on, it's just 18 for crying out loud. So no go expect too much. He's learning on the job. So that's why people talk say make Tuchel no call up. Although some other people talk say if Tuchel no call up Nwaneri, it is going to be regarded as a sackable offense. Not to pick on Caps Premier League player. So you need to invite the boy, make him come to the England setup and come and see how things are going. So Talksport presenter Adrian Durham has said it will be a sackable offense for England boss Tuchel not to call up Arsenal star Nwaneri. So that one said the day. Even Heskey, I remember Heskey said come outside the talk say make them no call up all these small boys. Say they are too young to be called up to the England setup. You get say when they say say no really make a whole lot of sense. Say it is too early. Former England striker sends warning about Arsenal stars Nwaneri and Miles Kelly. You get Emil Heskey say it is too early for Arsenal stars Miles Kelly to be called up to the national team. Like how you call them? What if they don't play? You get you must be careful throwing young lads into the senior squad for games before they've had the experience of training with the squad and understanding the tempo and what it means to be in the squad. While I was playing, you have some younger players training with the first team. So they were more accustomed to the surroundings if they were to eventually step up. They are great players, but they and the England setup both have time on their side. Say, see, if you call them to come just train, don't be say go call them when they come play. But they can't train, but they see how the atmosphere is quite different to the Arsenal atmosphere. You get from there. Then you go call. Don't say we just call them, throw them into the first level like that. Say it don't really make sense. So everybody get their own different opinions. Whereas the likes of Rooney, Sturridge, Walker, they say call them up. They are very, very good to go. Especially Nwaneri. Why people they get reservations on Miles Kelly is because of his temperament. Those red cards, get. Making no go get one important match now, Miles Kelly go for a red card. You go mad, bro. All right, away from that, so Gary Neville, when they talk about the match we will play on Sunday against Manchester United, so he can say that match, so Manchester United will collect draw for Arsenal 1-1, and even they surprised they talk win. So you can say for him now 1-1, Bruno Fernandes will score for Manchester United. Say one thing where you know be say Man U sabi perform when they play against a big team. Say once the occasion don't come say okay, a big team they come out, so they go turn up and the fans go turn up. And one thing where I know see for in analysis, now the fact say there will be a protest on that day, not just a protest in the stadium, there will be a march. Like people go march, carry placard, patrol before the match starts. So now the same fans will go protest for the match again. Then go see come sing for Manchester United to beat Arsenal. I don't think that will be what will happen, but we'll see what will happen because in no factor and for your own analysis, fans are not happy. In fact, the fans will prefer that they lose. Fans are calling for a boycott for people to buy tickets to come and watch. So which fans are you talking about that will come and sing? But on Sunday, we'll see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. We'll see their plans and what they get. So, like I told you, when Rooney is back in Nwaneri for maiden call-up as a 17-year-old, say he's a sensation, is a sensational and scintillating form for Arsenal. Baba the top tough. Yes. By the end of the day, not Thomas Tuchel and the day, because Tuchel is going to be naming his first ever England call-up. Get when they name people, they invite people. So most of Baba go do. Now let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile Water Associates and Co Limited, into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you're interested in any of the services, do call them on 234-8064642234. They're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Oriazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. All right, so my dear Salvat, if you want to also support our show, do well to like, share, and comment on the show to get more engagement, and make sure say if you follow us, you're watching on Facebook, and if you're watching on YouTube, make sure subscribe. These are one of the ways you can actually support us, make our mission statements they go far and wide. You get many Arsenal fans who don't know so they even exist. So the more you share, people will see what we do. All right, so the biggest news of the day and the fact say in our rights, on top say under no circumstances should Nwaneri be used as a false nine. This is about subscribe to this line of thoughts, where to use everything. So I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way in the evening to give the evening news to them. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out. All right, guys. Bye bye.